Hello everyone. So now I will record my solutions to problem number 21 to 25, and I will not go into as much detail as I usually do in class, because if you're attempting these 5 questions, it means that you are quite confident with yourself and probably do not need that much details. And I do encourage you to try them, but don't be intimidated if they're too difficult for you right now. Okay, so now let's go on to problem number 21. A square with side length x is inscribed in a right triangle with side of length 3, 4, and 5. Let's just start drawing as we read. So we have 3, 4, and 5. This is a right triangle. And one vertex of the square coincides with the right angle vertex of the triangle. This is the right angle vertex of the triangle. So this is where the square lies. And it has length x. Okay, then we have another triangle here. Okay. I'm drawing this too big. And it also has a square inscribed in it. The triangle has length 3, 4, and 5. And one side of the square lies on the hypotenuse of the triangle. So this is the hypotenuse of the triangle. So this is probably where the square lies. And it has a length y. Okay, so it wants us to get the ratio of x to y. So first we realize that the ratio itself is not something like special or anything. We can't put the second triangle with the first triangle and try to find a ratio of these two segments in single graph because they don't really relate to each other. So the best way to do it is just to calculate them individually and do the ratio. So in the first triangle, we can see that these triangles that I out, they are similar to each other because they have the same angles. And we know that the ratio of the size is 3, 4, and 5 because that's how it is for the largest one. So this tells us that for every green triangle that I circled out, the ratio of their size is 3 to 4 to 5. Okay, so let's focus first on this triangle here. Since this side is x, right? And this is the 4 side in the ratio one. So this side will be 3 over 4x. So that this side to this side will be 3 over 4. Maybe people won't be looking at me. Okay, so that this side to this side will be 3 over 4. Okay, similarly, actually we don't need another one anymore because this side also has a length of x because this is a square. So we have the equation 3 over 4x plus x equals 3. And this would give us x equals to 12 over 7. Okay, in the second one here, we also have these triangles that I just circle out are similar to one another because they have the same angles. Okay, also we don't really need all of them. Since this is y here, this is the 4 side, so this would be the 5 side. This side to this side would be 4 to 5, so that this is 5 over 4y. Okay, this one is y, this is the 5 side, this is the 3 side, so this is 3 over 5y. Okay, now we just need the equation 5 over 4y plus 3 over 5y equals to 3, and this gives us y equals to 60 over 37. So our x over y would be 12 over 7 times 37 over 60, because you're actually dividing it, and this gives us 37 over 35. So the answer to this question is D.